Okay, I'm finna proceed with the next cylinder. We're gonna take that one off there, about 10 millimeter. Okay, with the next one in line, so we're gonna take that one out there. Loosen up two 10 millimeter screws there. Okay, here we go. Pretty much almost, you can take them out with your fingers once you get the ratchet. And everything good, go off that. So here we go. We're gonna go to the next one. We're gonna take that one off. Work this one here off as well. Okay. And you know when you get to the dark part, I got a drop light right here like that, okay, to help me with the dark areas I can't see. Okay, but you have to have plenty of patience to do this. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and let y'all see this some hair come off and everything. Okay, and you know, no job is perfectly easy, so if you don't mind getting a little dirt on your fingers, I want to give me some gloves. I forgot when I went to the parts store, so oh well. Can't remember everything, so get the basics out the way. Alright, this one here as well. Okay, we're looking good though. We're looking good. Looking good. We get these two out the way. We got two more to go. Some say to do the back ones first, the front ones first, but either way it go, I think you still gonna have pretty much the equal amount of time doing these here. Okay, I'll take that one out. And it actually took me some time to really do this because I wanted to make sure if I do it right. I'm trying to remove this bolt here because I want to make sure all my bolts are counted for. Okay, we're gonna remove this one here as well. And everything, let's see. Okay, we got this one here. Okay. Yes, all right. Okay, we're looking good, so we go. I'm not the way as well. Looking right there. Okay, look at the terminals. Look how they look on the inside. Can you see on the inside? Okay, let's see, can we look at that one there as well? Okay, get a good view if you can. Let's see. There we go. There we go. You might can see it. And the plugs in there. Okay. Cylinders. Okay, plugs. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get them out of there. Okay. I'm gonna sign off for right now because this one here is gonna be hard as it go, but I'm good.